But yeah, it's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy.
Welcome to never having time for making models. So today, I'm gonna get in the car, drive to the hobby shop, grab a model, and paint it before I even get home. Also, my car does that, which is pretty cool. Like it just makes ding 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 sounds now and then.
Ding, ding.
Yeah, does that.
Ding.
It's pretty cool.
Ding,
I like
ding.
that. That's my favorite function of the car.
I think it's a brilliant function. What does it do? It's like the sat navs.
It's just
I'm
really
spazzing
cool.
out, I don't know where I am.
It's just a really cool function, you know. If you ever forget you have a sat nav in your car, this is the kind of sat nav you want, because
Bing.
it will remind you that there's a sat nav by constantly telling you, bing. So for me, don't look at it like that. I can see you. I don't even know which way to go.
I'll tell you. It's left
I think I need to go left soon.
Yeah,
So my local shop is way too close for me to do this. That's a given fact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive one more town over to give me at least a fair chance in getting this challenge done. Also, the shop that I've chosen to go to is a local hobby store. It's not a Warhammer or a big name store, and I feel like sometimes we need to appreciate the smaller stores that are owned by hobbyists just like you and I. One of the things that we're gonna have to deal with is that I get extremely car sick in a car, especially if someone else is driving. And unfortunately, I've brought my friend George along, and if he drives, I get rarely car sick. So George is also a TubeTuber and trying to make videos on the TubeTube. So if you would look in the description, you'll find a link for the George. Thank you for watching. Have a great time. Whenever my wife brings me to this place, it's a one-way system. So we end up going around and around at least 4 times before we actually realize that the road that we keep passing is a road we need to park on. That's the only thing that really sucks about being in a bigger town in England, is that there's nowhere to park when you want to go somewhere. So you have to usually park like a couple of blocks over, and then because England,
yeah,
it's gonna rain all over.
It's literally like a tiny little road, isn't it?
Dude, honestly,
yeah, straight over.
And the worst part is, with it being all one ways, when you go around again, you have to go around the whole town.
Yeah.
So we can't mess up.
Are you allowed to do this? Yeah.
No, this isn't the road.
Is it not?
No, that's not the road.
That's where this
It's
one's
this next one. Yeah, don't go that one.
Oh, okay.
It's this one here.
Oh, you could be sneaky and put it
That's
in there.
really naughty.
But someone else did it.
Yeah, but I'm not naughty. There, down that. This is what happened last time. I'm gonna have to go all the way around 20 times, and because you can't even go. Look, you can't go.
That's right. Dude, there are so many nerds in here.
I'm actually doing something really weird where I'm making a video where I'm painting a model in the car on the way back home. So
Okay.
don't laugh, bro. My house is just down the road, so I've got like about 30 minutes to paint it. So I thought a push fit one would be even easier because I can do it on the way back. But yeah, it's crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's crazy. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, I mean, technically you can.
We'll see.
This is a cool idea.
But it's so expensive for a whole box. Costs too much for a whole box. We need a channel sponsor first.
Okay, look, this is push fit, and this is only 20 bucks. And this is exactly the dudes that I'm going to be painting. And there's 3 dudes in there, and there's extra paints. That's it there.
That's the one.
No, for a fact these are push fit too.
As well. Oh, you're getting this as well?
I need this car. Why do you laugh at me? I figured it out, bro. This is gonna work.
Excellent.
Push fit, easy to put together.
Taking all the boxes. I'm curious to see how this is going to pan out.
I don't actually have a card on me. I can write down the channel for you if you want to look.
Yeah.
Cheers, man. Thank you very much.
We've got 1 minute for the end.
I'm gonna just try and start getting bits out so that I'm ready. You don't even, you need your foot on the brake to change the thing. I don't think you can go out that way, or I don't know.
No, you can't.
Oh!
Fuck no.
Oh god! I'm gonna paint, George!
The brakes don't do anything until you stamp on them.
They do.
They don't. They do fucking nothing.
Oh my god.
It feels.
Okay, the dangerous part's done.
Look, see now I'm in.
There?
we go.
Okay.
Oh, these stupid cars with this bloody nonsense
Oh, no.
automatic gearbox.
I need this.
Why does it feel like the brake pedal is a bloody rock?
It works, I promise it works. Just don't slam on it. I'm trying to paint a model. God damn it. There's no tears in model painting. No, that is correct. Ow. This is extremely dangerous. So in my box of 2021.
Feet picks out soon, guys. Feet picks out soon.
Okay, here's my kit. So in my kit, I have all the paints that I need to make these dudes. The main thing I need, which I can't find right now. Do you have any clue where I put the model holder? Ah, I found the model holder. Brush. Who does that?
Why is your hand sanitizer like rolling around?
It's fine. It's okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It's not important. Nothing too serious.
Next video you gotta do it in a motorbike. Oh god, your f***ing hand sanitizer.
I think I've got a chunk already.
Feel sick?
A little bit. Just make sure it's all over it in some way.
How long do you think we've been going so far, and how long do you think we've got left?
I think we got like 25 minutes.
Yeah? We've got 23 minutes.
I mean... Need to dry 'em.
It's raining outside.
Oh, it's fine. Don't drive faster though. But drive faster because I need air. But don't drive faster because I need time. Ah, perfect. Perfect. Oh, yes, that's... You don't even need a hairdryer. It's much better than a hairdryer. Much better.
I literally don't trust that.
I don't, it's gonna go. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry, I got it. That's drying much faster than the hairdryer. Really? You couldn't just do it nicely.
I have to annoy you a little bit, please.
But it's not, that's not nice. I'm doing fine details now.
I know. You're doing too well, I need to drive worse.
No, you don't need to drive. I'm already making loads of mistakes.
I think I'm in a chunk.
Are you? Do you want me to pull over? Should I pull over? Oh
No.
shit! There's a parking space.
It's fine.
You actually get so car sick, don't you? Oh my god. Don't puke.
Give me a sugar lip.
It's like the first time you looked up in the journey and then just went, wow.
Yeah, that's not good.
See, this part of the video, no one normally sees your face, they're just watching your hand.
Yeah, but I'm in a full concentration mode.
You got full concentration face on, you got the f***ing paintbrush coming out your hat.
No, George, look what I'm trying to do here. Look how small those things are.
God.
And I'm gonna vomit.
You almost did.
Yeah, you're gonna make me.
We're almost at your home of residence. Oh, bit of a shaky road here.
I needed to hold this very carefully. This goes everywhere.
This is responsibility I do not want to take.
I don't want to take this responsibility either. This is about to get messy. Get rid of the excess. Don't fall.
I think you've developed quite a good way of painting. Drying's easier.
Yeah.
The painting may not be easy.
The painting is not the easy part. That's the hardest part. Do you know what's not a bumpy road? Joining my Patreon. If you want to support the videos, jump over into the Patreon and make sure to support. Click a like and subscribe. Make sure to subscribe because for every one subscriber, I will have one more subscriber and make a like. Description. Thanks for watching that. If you didn't like that video, there's only one thing left to do. Even though YouTube took it away from you, just click the dislike and f off, man.
If you like that video, please click like and subscribe and
Can't word because words is hard.